What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, yeah, he's right there. And here's Rustin. Here's Rustin. Yeah, he can. But you guys, we just heard a rattling sound. Remember that video that me, Juju, and Rustin did of Blackout? I think the rattling sound is back.
Yes, it's back.
And they said, I was in the bathroom and getting a drink of water. They said it was up over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, it might be back.
That might be back.
Don't say no, I'm right here.
Me and Juju call it the, Max.
What?
Me and Juju call it the rattling frog.
Yeah, the rattling frog.
Yeah, the rattling frog.
It startled me.
Yeah. It's actually, you know what? Those things that, yeah. But we call it the rattling frog. No, don't go in there, Rustin. Because that's the last time we've heard of it in there.
Yeah. Okay, next one, a dead person!
Oh, no, that's my costume. From, 2 years ago. Yeah, it's my, shadow thing.
I think it's whipped.
It's too small for...
The frog inside there. And he's going super fast. So don't go at that. Don't go at that cave with the frog.
Can you hear each one, bro?
Kermit the frog's not scary.
No. All the time. Burr, skibbity, dump.
Can I go in this?
Boom. Okay.
So
You guys, we've been waiting for a minute now. And no sign.
So I think we might be good.
I think we might be good. The rattling frog takes a couple minutes to take the rattle back up.
What did the rattle
sorry.
Juju?
what?
That was you. It was the same sound.
Oh.
Rustin, you got it that.
I'm whipping this whole time.
So guys, make sure to like and subscribe and get our merch.
And
It's awesome.
yeah, it's way awesome.
Also on birthday month, hey, you still have a chance. Because this month is my, well, it's already passed, but it's still April.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. This.
Get mine
Yeah, you.
Get mine because this is mine.
No, it's his birthday. That means you guys still have a chance to get all of our birthday plushies. If you get
Me
them,
riding my dragon, Jack riding his dragon,
Rustin riding his dragon,
Juju
Juju riding his dragon, and Colton riding his dragon.
Yeah.
And yeah,
But guess what? Mine is on sale, guys, since it's my birthday.
yeah.
And mine's on sale too.
No, it's not your birthday. It was March.
And I think one person got it.
Yeah, they might.
And I think I have an invisible one. Whoa, he's inside me.
Yeah. So you guys, it's been at least 3 to 2 minutes, and we've heard nothing of the rattle noise, so of the rattling frog. So I guess that's really good.
So, and if you hear the water sound, you have make sure to hide somewhere. Like in
No,
the
if you hear the rattling sound in your basement, make sure to run upstairs and then come back down. And then if you hear it a third, no, that was this.
Oh.
And then if you hear, yeah, the was that. The actual rattle is the, whatever it's called. Yeah, if it's really loud, it's the, rattling frog.
That was it.
No. That was that.
Oh, yeah. So, guys,
Yep.
mine is on sale, guys. There's 5 copies left of my dragon plushie, and it's on sale, so.
No, yeah.
So get it while you can.
Got Jack.
Because it's on sale.
And if some people got Jack's, when it was Jack's birthday, then keep it. And if some people got it.
Yeah, you guys, those are collectibles. They're only out on our birthdays. They're out on March, December, November, and April.
Yeah, you can get sale on mine.
Jack.
Yeah.
Mine's on sale right now.
When's my birthday? On
March. Mine's November. Max's is
April.
April. Juju's is December. Colton is March too.
So guys, make sure to get my plushie because it's on sale.
Yeah.
And
It's on sale of $5.
yes.
Yeah, it's been
25.
Let's start going to the water.
it's been at least 5 minutes.
Should we
No.
go in there?
No, don't.
Dare go
I
in
would.
You guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back.
Who's gonna go to
See ya in part 2.